So, siya na naman ang bida sa aking vlog. Nasa unahan ko na naman siya. We're going to these cottages. Baka ibang cottage to, beb, ha? I-check natin yung place. So, we came from there. And then, meron siyang konting water dito. Ewan ko saan galing ang water na to. Beb, knife fish! Knife fish! Dagay kag fish! Yan, madaming fish dito. And they are having fun. Ayun na.
Tilapia. Fish pond.
Wow. So cute. Ayan.
May bangus.
Asa?
May bangus.
Asan? Oh, there are bangus. Okay. Makain yan, no? Pero may isang basurahan. Kunin mo yun. Basura. Another cottage na po di ay na, oh.
Direct.
Okay. Yung mga cottages. And, pwede pa daan. Punta tayo doon sa dulo. Going to that dulo. Okay. May fish there. Simple cottage. So, nasan yung room namin? Somewhere there. Here. So, this is the end of the cottage na.
Low tide pa man.
Hindi masyadong deep. So, may mga tao doon. Tingnan mo nagawa. Ginagawa nila. Namamasul. Snap. Ako siguro diri, I appreciate. Kung diri man ko maano sa Pilipinas, why not? Dito mababaw lang ang tubig. It's a low tide. Okay? We're going somewhere. Different cottages here. Iba ding cottage nang doon. Ibang may-ari. We're going to another resort and our final resort before we leave Surigao del Norte. That place also, it's nice, it's beautiful, and I'm a bit excited to go there. Ito yung room ng resort na to. So, our room somewhere there. Check out. Dahil malakas ang ulan, tingnan niyo yung water. Baha. Wow, ang laki-laki. Oh my God. Surigao del Norte. Fast video! Oh! Nabasa kami. Tingnan nyo, oh! The floaty house. Surigao del Norte, laging umuulan. Dito dilagad.